Hi guys, Basil Clark here from Fitness Network South Africa, the international showroom for Forge USA. This is part 2 of the video. I've had a request, like I said, from gym and fitness equipment suppliers in the UK about the MyRack SpaceSaver. So my video before this showed you how it folded and how nice and unique the rack is. I'm now going to run you through the dimensions and a couple features of the rack as well. So this is the rack when it's open and it's not folded away. So first things first, we are going to do the heights. So the maximum height, guys, of this one, you're looking at 220. 220 is the maximum height on that. The width of the power rack, which is from the outside of the poles to the outside, is 119. The width and the inside is 106.5. The depth from outside to outside is 85.5. The depth on the inside is 73.5, guys. I'm just having a look if there's any other dimensions. The maximum distance to the back when it's not folded would be this to here, which is 103. That excludes if there's any attachments that are on here. If you're going to add attachments on here, you would add a few measurements. So guys, what is unique about this, I'm going to give you the dimensions now when it's folded away. Like I said in the previous video, you can't use the cable crossover attachments because it needs to fold. You can't put a lat pull down attachment, and you can't choose the chin up attachment. But what is quite nice is Forge USA as a company has given you the multi-grip one on the folding one, which is quite nice, all their different angles. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it away now, just to give you the dimensions. So guys, that's the unit folded away. Bear in mind, like I said in my previous video, the rack folds, not the attachments. So you will see that the physical distance of the rack when it's folded away, the widest point would be 52 centimeters. But you will see it will stick out because of the monolift. If you want it to be 52, you have to take this off. So again, if you've got like a pipe and pin safety, you might have to pull it back for it in order to fold. So yeah, that is it when it's folded up without attachments on it. If you're looking at a monolift on it, the distance would be, sorry, I get that back. The distance will be 79 centimeters, guys. Give or take one or two centimeters, because it could be different tapes and so forth. So that is the unit over there. While I've got it here, I'll give you the widest point, which will be on these J-hooks, or sorry, not these J-hooks, these weight horns over here. If you've got the weight horns on, which is 170 centimeters. So I'm going to fold it out now, guys. As simple as this. Like I said in the previous video, you're just going to pop that like that. Boom, that one's in. This one is just going to take past. Lift the chin up. Okay, it's got to lock this chin up in place. I'll get to that now. So you see, there we go. Done. So guys, features of the racks, you'll see these weight horns on the sides here. They've got lovely places in the front of the rack. They've also got them in the back of the rack. You'll see there are different heights and different holes where you can place them in. I can have a look here for you now and have a look. You have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 different settings where you can store your weight plates. So you can have it quite neat. Like me, I always stack it with the heaviest from the bottom, so they're lower to fall if they do happen to fall by mistake. 20 all the way up to 0.5 kilograms if you want to. So those are the weight storage horns. What is quite nice, most power racks don't have this, which this one has. These numbers on the SpaceSaver, they are laser etched in. So it's not a sticker or paint, they're physically being laser cut in. So you will see that it is easy, quick to identify. You will notice that on the top and the bottom, you can use your elastic band pegs. So and they're adjustable. They're not welded in place, they're fully adjustable. You can choose the depth that you want. Obviously you can't do a jug because of the chin-up bar, so those are for the band pegs on the unit. So an all-round unit, guys, can't go wrong. You'll notice on the back of the unit, if you've got the older bar, you can store the older bar in. If you've got the new Olympic bar, you could store it in over here. So from a space-saving point of view, really phenomenal. If you are going to be storing it away, guys, wherever you can, I always say mount it to the ground. You'll see there are 4 points mounted to the ground, especially if you're going to be folding it away. The dimensions are going to get narrower. So I would suggest just drilling it to the ground. And that is the MyRack SpaceSaver Folding Edition, guys. Really great bar, especially in the UK if you've got very limited space and you still want to make use of your garage. Just fold it away. And that's it, guys. If you've got any more requests about any other equipment, please feel free to drop them in at sales@gymandfitnessequipment.co.uk. One of their experts will get in contact with me and I will do a video for you guys. Thanks, guys. Cheers for now.